This is Satyanarayana Varya, vocational trainer from ITRC company. Today's topic is vocational education. Now I would like to show the content of this topic. Stop. Okay, this is the content of this topic which I was going to explain you. Okay, the first topic is introduction, and second one is what is vocational education meaning. Then third one is need for vocationalization of education in India, and fourth one agencies involved in technical and vocational education, and fifth one is advantages and disadvantages and problems in area, and the final one is conclusion. Okay, introduction na cheptanu. The introduction of vocation education. The term of vocation means an individual's development of talents and abilities in the choice and employment of a career. This is the introduction of the vocational education. I would like to explain what is vocational education. The vocational education within vocational schools that prepares people for a specific trade. It directly develops expertise to techniques related to technology, skill and scientific technique to span all aspects of the trade. Okay. The third one is need for vocationalization of education in India. Okay, reduction in unemployment. Okay, reduction of in unemployment, creation of SMEs, and third one world-class productivity and quality, and fourth one is exports and tourism surge, and final one is GDP increase. GDP increase per capita advantage. The agencies involved in technical and vocational education. Okay, the central government agencies. The first one, National Skill Development Council, NSDC, and second one is MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development, and third one is Department of School Education and Literacy for schools. Okay, and Department of Higher Education for technical education, and Ministry of Labor and Employment, Directorate General of Employment and Training for vocational training. There are some other 20 central ministries and departments which have running some small TVET programs. And then now going to the state government, the Directorate of Technical Education, private sector, some of the NGOs. Okay. Now I would like to show and explain advantages of vocational education. The first one is shorter duration. Okay, and second one is lesser cost, and third one is hands-on experience, and fourth one labor market outcome, and fifth one is career-minded education. I would like to explain disadvantages of vocational education. First one is limited flexibility, and second one is add-on costs, and third one is wrong attitude, and fourth one is dearth of institutions, and fifth one is narrow curriculum, and sixth one is unsuitable medium of instruction, and final one is lack of continuous education. These are the advantages and disadvantages of vocational education. Now I would like to show the job chart of the vocational students. Okay, in this manner, in this job chart, flow of the job chart, all of the vocational students get any employment in any sector in this manner. Okay, so employment, this is the employment of the market of vocational students. Thank you so much.